The most rewarding aspect of my career is to get athletes back in the game. I love getting athletes back to the sport they love. It's also really fulfilling to be a doctor in the community as well as a team doctor for the community. It's fantastic to see them on the sidelines and see them in my clinic and see them in their journey of getting better and getting back into the game. My interest in medicine actually started early on in grade school. I really liked anatomy and physiology. As a kid, I did martial arts, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Shaolin Kung Fu. So when I went into medical school, I was extremely interested in the musculoskeletal system and also helping patients to be functional. So naturally, I gravitated towards the specialty of physical medicine and rehabilitation. And I really wanted to tailor my training to become a musculoskeletal expert and to treat athletes in the best possible way. So I did a one-year specialty in sports medicine. I'm a team doctor for colleges as well as a professional sport doctor. I see acute injuries, which means sudden injuries, as well as chronic injuries that can be going on for months or years. You don't have to be an athlete to see me. I work with anybody who wants to live a healthy lifestyle. Young adults to our weekend warriors to elite athletes, professional athletes, and even the folks who are trying to get back into shape. My goal is to help them understand their injury and come up with a treatment plan that's individualized to their care. I treat my patients as they were a family member. I like to listen because I want to hear what exactly is altering their function. I want to hear what is causing them to sustain an injury that is not allowing them to participate in sports, participate in getting back into working out. What I want from my patients is to have them understand their injury. I use ultrasound as my extension of my physical examination. I get to look at how the tendons are doing, how the muscles are doing, how the joints are doing, even looking at nerves. In my clinic, I like to utilize regenerative medicine. Different types of treatments in regenerative medicine are like platelet-rich plasma and stem cell treatments. These types of treatments help encourage tissue healing and pain relief. It is an amazing sort of treatment that's up and coming. Platelet-rich plasma starts off with like donating blood, and then you spin the blood and you concentrate the platelets. And in those platelets, what they have growth factors that help with tissue healing. I do my injections with a little bit of needling around the tendon to initiate some injury. So I want to initiate injury so I can initiate some new healing. I love it when my patients come to see me and what they're doing is working and seeing that they have progressed in doing their rehab and how they feel after a procedure. It's also fantastic to see my athletes getting back into the game, getting back into competition, getting into their peak performance. That's going to be the most important. It's amazing to be serving my community. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida, so being back here and giving back the best way I can is it's an honor. It really is.